People who file for bankruptcy are often worried, will bankruptcy lower my credit score? Now, for people who have low credit scores, like below 600, bankruptcy oftentimes improves their credit score. The New York Federal Reserve found that both 1 quarter and 4 quarters after people who were in financial distress filed for bankruptcy, their credit scores improved 40 to 80 points when compared to people who were in the same financial situation and didn't file for bankruptcy. Just think, if you were a creditor, who would you rather give money to? Somebody who owes $40,000 to 5 different people, or somebody who has a clean slate? Now, that doesn't mean that credit scores will improve for everybody who files for bankruptcy. If your credit score is medium or pretty good, chances are more likely than not that it'll go down. But it is a myth that bankruptcy reduces credit scores for everyone. In fact, oftentimes for people with low credit scores, it does just the opposite.